Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Like this is my first video. State business. I'm talking about why content creators. I don't why I feel content creators won't be moving to Hytales like quickly. One big thing I feel keeping content creators moving from Minecraft to ideas isn't the graphics, the biome, or even the gameplay. I feel like it's the content security. Also, sorry for using AI. I chose my voice to the script, but as you can hear, my area is kind of very noisy and like I feel like my mic is not that clear or something. So I just end up using AI for it. It gets it to be more clear. Or maybe next time when I get a proper mic and pop-up studio.
Imagine you've spent years building a name in Minecraft. You've got subscribers, fans, a brand, and a username that people recognize instantly. You've poured hours into creating content, mastering mechanics, and building a reputation. Now, a brand new game drops, Hytale. It's massive. The hype is real. You want to jump in, share your creations, and keep your audience engaged. But here's the problem. If Hytale doesn't let you use your Minecraft account or username, all of that effort, wasted. Suddenly, someone else could register the exact name you've spent years growing. Your username, your identity, is no longer yours in this new universe. Your legacy? Vulnerable. Let's break this down. Minecraft usernames aren't just labels. They're brands. They're how people find you, recognize you, and trust you. If Hytale forces everyone to start fresh, it's not just inconvenient. It erases the history of millions of content creators. Content creation isn't just about playing the game. It's about building an audience. It's about momentum. Imagine you've been posting weekly for 3 years. You've got thousands of followers who know you by name. And then you log into Hytale for the first time, and bam, someone else has your name. Now you're anonymous, starting over. That's demoralizing. And it's not just a hypothetical. We've seen it happen in every major game launch. The early adopters, the fans who invested time and energy in older platforms, get locked out of continuity. It's frustrating. It's unfair. The solution is simple: cross-platform recognition. Let players link their Xbox accounts, or any verified accounts from games like Minecraft, to Hytale. This way, creators can carry over their identity, protect their brand, and continue building without losing what they've already earned. And this isn't just about big creators. Even small streamers or YouTubers benefit. A recognizable name is a currency in content creation. Your username is your brand, your logo, your reputation. Losing it isn't just inconvenient, it's a tangible setback. Hytale has the opportunity here to set a standard. They can show that they respect creators, that they understand the ecosystem of modern gaming content, and that they value continuity over forced resets. This isn't just good PR, it's good for the game. The more creators can bring their audience seamlessly into Hytale, the faster the community grows, the more active the servers are, and the more hype builds around the game. Now, some might argue, well, it's a new game. Everyone should start fresh. But that's short-sighted. The goal of Hytale isn't just to launch a game. It's to build a lasting community. And the most engaged community members are creators. Letting them preserve their identities ensures loyalty, excitement, and long-term engagement. Let's also talk about problems this solves. Without account linking, you get name squatting. People register famous Minecraft usernames just to troll, profit, or hijack audiences. That's bad for players and bad for creators. It creates frustration and can even hurt the reputation of the game at launch. With cross-account integration, Hytale solves that automatically. Verified Minecraft players keep their names, content creators feel secure, and trolls lose the incentive to squat. It's simple, it's logical, and it benefits everyone. The question then becomes, why hasn't this been standard before? Legacy migration is tricky technically. There are server constraints, account security issues, and verification hurdles. But if any game could do it, Hytale can. They've built a sandbox with deep systems and scalable tech. Linking accounts, it's well within reach. We're talking about years of history preserved. A 3-year Minecraft content creator could start in Hytale and instantly be recognized. Subscribers know who they are. Fans know what to expect. Momentum isn't lost. Creativity isn't punished. It's continuity. And it matters to the game itself. A creator bringing their audience into Hytale instantly populates servers with active players. It creates stories, gameplay clips, and moments that generate hype. The game benefits, the community benefits, and the creators benefit. Everyone wins. Let me be clear, this isn't just wishful thinking. Cross-platform recognition is a trend. Other games are experimenting with this, letting users carry over profiles, friends, or achievements. Hytale could take it further. Not just cosmetic profiles, but verified usernames that preserve branding and identity. So here's the takeaway. If Hytale wants content creators to thrive, and if they want to grow a loyal, engaged, and active community from day one, they need to allow Minecraft account linking. It protects creators, preserves identity, prevents trolling, and fuels the hype engine for the game. And as a fan, as a content creator, and as someone invested in Hytale's future, I want this to happen. Because a game isn't just pixels and mechanics. It's people, stories, and communities. And those things deserve continuity. Hytale is a canvas. Let us carry our brushes from Minecraft. Let us keep the names, the reputations, the legacies we've earned. Otherwise, the game starts not with excitement. It starts with frustration. And that's a problem nobody wants. So, here's my final thought. Cross-platform usernames aren't just a convenience. They're essential for the ecosystem of creators. Hytale has a chance to lead here, to respect the people who will fill the game with stories and content, and to make the launch something truly legendary. The question is, will they listen?